This is the hiking cleats for kids. So let's open the package. So let's check the material. The rubber is pretty thick, and I can feel that it's like a pretty sticky. And let's pull. It's super strong. Yeah, the material is no problem. I don't worry about if the kids using this, it will break easily. And look at the studs. The studs is pretty strong as well. And also, the good thing is that it comes with a lot of studs that you can replace them. This one, I got a size is small, so you see how long you can pull. I think if you pull long enough, you can put the adult boots in there, and here as well. So I think this is a pretty good product and very affordable. Plus, it comes with a lot of accessories. I think this is a good product for kids. You know, when there's snow on the ground and when the kids go out, just put this one on and keep your kids safe. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.